Hi guys, today we're gonna do the poetry challenge. What does? So we always start. Begin.
Hi guys. So come on.
Dapat ko echo. Di. Yes.
Okay. So we gotta play it. You go first.
I'm picking this.
Safe. Is it safe? No. Is it safe?
Okay. You are. I'm picking
Safe.
safe.
Hmm?
Safe. Maar moet niet kolen.
I'm safe, guys.
Safe.
Nee. Ini biar saya.
Osmoon.
Osmond.
Safe. 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 Dead. So, you must eat. Yeah, 2 minutes. I take it.
Als je si Suli saya. Het vat met de boom of je innere dan in de speel te weer.
Kom, saya. Ja, kom. Safe.
Naman na ako fatin.
Safe.
Weet je wat in zijn gevat?
Safe. 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 Safe.
Safe.
Safe. Safe.
Safe.
Safe. Wat? Safe. Safe.
Weet je wat jouw neus? Is dat jou nog?
Ik ga bewandelen. Safe. Oké. Let daar goed op, jong.
Die ene is mijn naam. Zo. Nou, dat is jou nog. Wat zeg ik?
Guys, I win.
Yes,
you
you
win.
win. Mine. No, it's mine.
So guys, we're done and we are going to play another game.
Okay. Please like and subscribe for more great videos.
Thank you for watching our videos. We will make
So we
more.
will make more and you can watch our videos. Subscribe Jacob Adams and you will get more. Bye bye.
We love you. Nice day.